Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Virgin Galactic SPCE. Sorry, no video yesterday on this one. Was a little worn out. Alright, so we tested the lows again. This 40, 14, 30, 14, 31. Let me see, I'm just trying to figure out what the exact 1432, 1431. So that's the level we'll be watching for Monday, a break below that, and we'll start watching for the 1340 and 1249. We'll take a look at that on a daily chart, though. On any rally above about 1525, we're watching this little, like this key open candle with this gap down coming in with the rotation zone. So just above there, about 1530. So 1525 to 1530 is going to be major resistance. If we did get through there, we have this prior support shelf becoming resistance right about 1585, closing in with the top of the rotation zone. So that's the next target up. Let me look at that daily now. Daily, you can see this is a very key level. Let me move this out of the way. This is a very key level because we have that was the prior, this key low. Let me go zoom over here. There was some price action over here, so this is the new key low right at the 200. Spiked through the 200 yesterday or Thursday and Friday and found some support there. So if that does break, we break that 1431 level, then we're really going to be watching for those lower prices, which ties in to, let's see, especially the lower one ties into this little doji one, and then below that 1218. So 1218 to 1249 is the major support area should we head lower. On the daily chart, that same area about 1580 to 1585 is the key resistance, because that sort of rotation zone is on the daily chart. So it not only is it key on the 4 hour, it's key on the daily, and that's what we'll be watching for. If we did get through there, 1611 is the next key area we're watching. So we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.